Today we're going to be installing a new kitchen drain line, new tubular under the kitchen sink, and 2 new basket strainers. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is cut out the old line. Hurry up, run down here with your ladder. What's that noise?
Oh, no. Oh, damn it, he's never going to let me live this down.
Oh my god, did you just shit your pants?
Yeah, but it's only because I drank too much last night and I got the beer shits.
So you really shit your pants?
Okay, come close so you can understand what I'm about to tell you. Okay, come here. Alright? If anybody finds out about this, anybody, and I mean anybody, you can kiss your sorry ass goodbye. Alright?
Alright, I won't tell anybody, but do you like change your underwear or something? Because it smells like shit in here.
Yeah, but first I need you to go to Walmart and get me some because... And why are you doing the damn voiceovers again? Give me the damn phone. Hurry up, just go get them.
Alright, well, you're just gonna do the voiceover with poop in your underwear?
Alright, enough with your jokes. I'm gonna tell you like my journeyman once told me years ago. It ain't about the size of the turd in the underwear. It's about the size of the underwear that the turd's in. Alright? The turd's not even touching me.
That's probably the craziest fucking thing I've ever heard anybody say.
Alright, we're gonna get straight to it here. Not gonna waste no time. Gonna go ahead and get the glue in that PVC right there. Gonna put that clean out on. Always make sure you peel that sticker off now. You don't peel that sticker off, you're a handyman. And just like that, you have the kitchen drain line replacement.